Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the new TCL Q85H Soundbar system. This unit promises a full 7.1.4 surround experience for your home theater setup. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us dive into what makes this system tick. Let us start by looking at the core acoustic performance and surround sound immersion offered by the Q85H system. The Q85H brings a robust 7.1.4 channel setup to the table. By including both front and up-firing drivers in the rear speakers, it creates a very convincing sense of overhead motion. The 7.1.4 configuration does a fantastic job of placing sound effects exactly where they belong in your room. Having 860 watts on tap means you get loud and clear audio without any noticeable distortion at higher volume levels. The AI sonic tuning is a helpful inclusion that adjusts the audio profile to fit your specific room layout. With its dedicated up-firing drivers and 860 watts of power, this system delivers a truly bold and wide soundstage for any home theater environment. Moving on to daily operation, we will evaluate how easy this system is to set up and maintain. Ease of use is critical for any soundbar. TCL keeps things simple with HDMI, eARC, and Bluetooth for your favorite streaming content. Connecting to your smart TV is simple because of the HDMI eARC port, which handles everything with a single cable. For the current market price, you are getting a very feature-rich audio package that hits all the right marks. The 1-year warranty is standard, though you should ensure you have enough physical space for all the speakers. The system remains user-friendly through standard high-speed connections and intuitive software controls for your phone or tablet. The TCL Q85H offers a serious punch for movie lovers who want an easy path to Dolby Atmos immersion. While you definitely need room to place those rear speakers, the acoustic power and 7.1.4 layout provide a massive upgrade over basic television audio. If you want a theater-like feel in your living room, this system is a great contender.